Hello. Thank you for joining us for this quick video podcast on how to install LibreOffice on your computer. LibreOffice is available for users who don't otherwise have an Office suite, such as Microsoft Office. If you need a word processor or other Office applications, LibreOffice is a great alternative to Microsoft Office, or it could be your primary Office suite. So here we go. First things first, you want to open your web browser. I use Microsoft Chrome or Google Chrome, and so you'll just open Chrome. You could use Microsoft Edge or your favorite web browser, Firefox, whatever you may have. So open your browser, and then just simply point the address bar to LibreOffice, which is LibreOffice.com. Once on the LibreOffice website, you'll see a menu bar at the top. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on the download link. Do that now. You'll see Download LibreOffice as your first option from the drop-down list. Click on Download LibreOffice. Clicking on Download LibreOffice brings us to the download page. Simply scroll down until you find your appropriate version of LibreOffice. Of course, I recommend the most recent version of LibreOffice, which currently is 6.0.5. Click on the download button. Your download should start automatically. If your download does not start automatically, you can click the link that's provided, just in case. Usually this takes anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds, but after waiting a short period of time, your download should start. Once again, if it doesn't start, you can simply click the link. As you can see in my taskbar at the bottom of the browser, LibreOffice has started downloading. We'll wait for LibreOffice to finish downloading, and then I'll show you how to install it. Once LibreOffice is finished downloading, you'll want to go ahead and run the installer. The easiest way to do this is to click on the download in your browser after it's finished downloading, and the installer should start automatically. In this case, I've actually canceled the download because I already have a copy of the installation file. If for some reason you happen to close your web browser, or if your download bar does not show a completed download, you can look in your computer's download folder. You can find the download folder by opening an Windows Explorer window and navigating to this PC, and you should see a folder in there that says Downloads. You can just open the Downloads folder, and you should see the Windows installer for LibreOffice. Double-clicking on the LibreOffice installer from this folder will launch the installer, which works the same way as if you were to click on it in your web browser. I'm going to go ahead and launch the installer. Depending on your connection speed, you should note the size of LibreOffice is 267 megabytes roughly. So it's not a small download. It does have some size to it. So depending on your connection speed, downloading it could take a little bit of time. You'll probably get a security warning once you click the installer. If you do get the security warning, simply click Run. The initial setup process takes just a few moments before it starts asking you any questions at all. As you can see, it says it's computing space requirements. It's going to check a bunch of different things on your computer to make sure you're okay to go ahead with the installation. Once it's checked everything and it's ready to install, you'll see the Next button highlighted. Go ahead and click on Next. For the most part, this is just like any other Windows installation file. And usually on these, you just click Next until you're finished going through all of the initial installation prompt windows, and everything should install correctly. So I'm going to choose typical installation, click Next. It's going to create a start link on the desktop, that's fine. Go ahead and click Install, and then we just wait for it to install. Once installation is complete, just click the Finish button. Now LibreOffice is installed on your computer. You can find it on the Start menu by clicking on Start and scrolling down until you find LibreOffice in the Start menu.